is a transfer. Property transfer.
No. You see, you're asking a loaded question again, like you always do.
I'm asking a question.
You're saying, we said it will take 3 months.
Yes.
We never said it. Where's it written down? Where's your evidence
She
to
would have
that?
bought it.
She's
It was
lying.
going to take longer than that.
Of course she would.
No.
Everybody. She got it at a discounted rate. That was the whole thing.
Right.
We wrote her a letter. Stop. You ask a question.
Yeah,
Let's answer it now.
yeah.
Let's answer. I'm calm. Look how calm I am.
Your
So we
face
say,
is red.
I know. Furthermore, and as previously advised, this offer is made on a strict condition that you refrain from engaging in any conduct that causes harm or reputational harm to our client, including but not limited to the dissemination of the family statements, media exposure, or any other action that may result in financial or reputational damage to our client. So she was warned, right?
What was that?
This was a letter that was sent to her. But now,
When? So you're threatening her to now?
no, I'm not threatening her. This is